Let's solve this problem. If you'd like, you can click the pause button and try to solve this problem yourself before you watch the video. ABCD is a rectangle. Let's represent congruent segments AM, MN, and NC as Y. Triangle ABC is a right triangle. The altitude drawn from the right angle to the hypotenuse divides the hypotenuse into two segments. The length of the altitude is the geometric mean of the two hypotenuse segments. BM squared is equal to the product of AM and CM. Let's sub in the variables. BM squared is equal to 2y squared. Triangle ABM is a right triangle. By the Pythagorean theorem, AB squared is equal to AM squared plus BM squared. Let's sub in the values. 3y squared is equal to 162. Y squared is equal to 54. Triangle BCM is a right triangle. By the Pythagorean theorem, BC squared is equal to BM squared plus CM squared. Let's sub in the variables. BC squared is equal to 6y squared. And since y squared is equal to 54, BC squared is equal to 324. BC is equal to 18. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe to help my channel grow. Thank you.